Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this recipe I am going to share how to make cream cheese frosting, which is very smooth, pipable and delicious. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in this recipe here I have used 8 oz of cream cheese, which is cold. Make sure that it should not be at room temperature. Now beat the cream cheese for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it gets light and fluffy. So after 3 minutes, as you can see, our cream cheese is little light and fluffy. So now I am going to add around 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Now beat them together for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they are smooth and fluffy. Now add around 1 cup of icing sugar and mix it together. Now beat all the ingredients together until they are nicely combined. After a minute or so, as you can see, our cream cheese frosting is ready. The perfect stable cream cheese should not be fall off from the spatula. So as you can see, our perfect cream cheese is ready. Now I am separating about 3 to 4 tablespoons of cream cheese which I want to color. So here I am using red gel food color. So now our cream cheese is ready to bite. So this is the perfect cream cheese recipe, which is really smooth, pipable, stable and delicious. It goes really well with red velvet cake or carrot cake or any other cake that you would like to put on. Please do subscribe my channel for more incredible recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.